Welcome to another edition of DACC Family Science in under 60 seconds. Water is made up of these really cool molecules that have positive and negative charges on them. And these charges like sticking together. So when water molecules come into contact with each other, they stick together. Other molecules, like salts, also have charges on them, and so they also will stick to water molecules. Molecules that dissolve in water like salt are called hydrophilic molecules, which means water-loving. Now other molecules don't have charges and therefore don't interact with water. These are called hydrophobic molecules or water-hating. Oil, for instance, is a hydrophobic molecule, and when you try mixing it with water, they just don't mix. Today we are going to look at hydrophobic and hydrophilic properties along with some properties of density as we create lava lamps in a test tube.